Welcome to Tap for Do. Hope everyone is doing good. I would urge you to be cautious and be safe. In today's video, I'll show you how to make this beautiful pebble art which you can gift for your mother, especially on today's Mother's Day. This is very easy and you can make it with the items available in your reach. You can pick up the pebbles from your garden or while you're walking in your area nearby. So let's get started. I've collected few pebbles in different shapes and sizes. So this is the box which I had, and I have collected few branches also. So you can just arrange accordingly prior only. So select the oval size shapes for the body so that it will be easy, and keep them down to get a nice look. So this is how I'll make a mother and a child figure. So you can enhance it, like I've written the quote as "My mom is the best." And before fixing it with a glue, just recheck once and then only permanently fix it. So I've made a child and a mother's figure, and I've given a small bun kind of thing with a small pebble. You can enhance it with markers as I did. I've just given two little ponies to give it a girly look, and I'm adding a flower, and that's it. I've fixed the brand. The first one is ready. You can add a stone like sun or moon. For the second one, I'm using a felt fabric at the bottom, and then I will cut a paper, A4 size paper, to create a frame. If you have any cardboard or anything, you can also create a thick and bigger frame, and you can increase the height, which will enhance the look further, as we did it in the box. So I'm just placing these pebbles which are little curvy and which look like someone sitting. So I'm making a child and a mother sitting on a small bench in this. Just before fixing it permanently, please check the space and arrangement properly, and then only fix it, so that it won't be ruined by picking up the fabric or the background of the image. So this is how I've made to enhance it. Little bit of small pebble I've added, and for the park bench kind of look, I've given some small two pebbles, and to give it a tree look for these little stems, I'm just adding few more pebbles. You can enhance it or innovate as per your choice. Always select the branches, stems which has more number of branches. Any shrubs like tulsi or which will have more branches, the dried branches you can pick. And I've enhanced the bird with a small bee, and then placing the frame on it. So you can color the pebbles also if you wish. So this is how the second one is ready. And for the third one, I'm just using the sketch pens or markers which I had with me to create a tree. So this will be a cute little birdie mama and a baby bird. So I'm just creating a nest, all which I did with the sketch pens or markers which I had, and fill it up. You can use watercolors, or you can use any plastic leaves also. If you have, you can add artificial leaves. So for the chick, I'm using a small pebble, and the beaks, if you observe, I've opened the chick's beak, and for the mother, I've put it in a closed one. You can write any quote on Mother's Day and gift it to your mother. So I hope you enjoyed this third one. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. So this is the fourth one, where I'm using a black frame, and I'm creating a pond-like structure with sketch pens. You can use watercolors or oil pastels, or you can use any stickers if you have of a pond, or any cartoon books or any children's magazine, and you can add that also if you don't like to draw as I did. And I've stuck a curvy duck kind of pebbles, if you observe, and make a beak which is broader as in duck, and little ducklings. So this is the fourth one which is ready. You can write a quote if you wish. And the fifth one, same as the first one, I've made a mother figure and few little 4 kids around, some oval pebbles and small pebbles. That's it, our work will be done. And to just give it a nice look, I have just added a branch or a stem. That's it. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Wish you all happy Mother's Day. Namaste.